Sometimes people look at a tree and they just see a tree. But in the tropical forest, it's rarely just that. And we can take an example like the Ceiba barrigona, or shaving brush tree, where its flowers feed monkeys. They attract pollinators. Its seeds feed squirrels. Its fibers become nesting material for birds. It's many lives meeting in just one place. And that's something I love showing people, not just species one by one, but the relationships between them, because that's how the forest works, through relationships, through exchanges, through connections. And once you start seeing that, you stop looking at nature as separate pieces, and you start seeing a living system. So if these interactions feels interesting for you, come and join one of our walks sometime.